Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to study Psychology Class 12 HSC step by step. Begin by breaking the syllabus into weekly goals and assign topics to each study session. Then create concise summary notes after every class and review them twice a week. Use a planner to track progress, and schedule one full past paper practice every weekend to build exam stamina and time management skills. Apply active study methods that make material stick. Explain concepts out loud as if teaching someone. Convert theories and experiments into mind maps and charts to visualize connections, and use flashcards for key terms, researchers, and study details. Alternate short focus sessions with 5 to 10-minute breaks, and test yourself under timed conditions to simulate exam pressure while keeping reviews varied and engaging. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more practical study guides. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers simple, powerful ideas about money that can free up time and stress, which helps when you study for HSC exams. Consider it a light, helpful companion for budgeting study time and resources. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on answer writing and smart revision. Outline answers before writing to ensure clear introductions, links, and conclusions. Memorize study details including authors, methods, findings, and critiques, and compare your answers to model responses to refine phrasing. Schedule mixed revision sessions covering multiple units, and do timed mock exams to improve clarity, speed, and accuracy for the real HSC environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.